Hey Murph, how's your day been?
It's been great, Andrew. Other than this Minecraft crap you got me watching. Hey, you see that foot Alexis is making?
Oh yeah, look at that thing.
Like you told me you try to make Jesus.
I don't see the resemblance here. Listen Murph, I don't know what to tell you, alright man?
You look, man. Look. See all tired. Why are you petting me? Seriously, get your hand off.
I'm sorry Murph, I'm sorry man.
You get your hand off. Yeah, you see me eyeing that camera. Get that camera out of my face.
I'm sorry man.
Don't be touching my paw. Don't be touching my paw. Don't ever touch my paw. That's my paw pierced, and I don't like when people touch it. You see his face? Does this look like a face that's messing around? Does this look like a face that's messing around? Andrew, you better get out of my face with that camera. This Minecraft crap is making me nauseous, and I need some aspirin.
Murphy, what's the matter? Why are you so grumpy today?
I didn't get much sleep last night. Man, I heard you screaming all night talking to your skater rack. Man. Now I'm laying in this kid's bed. Celtics. Like I like the Celtics.
Hey, Murphy, come on, they're okay.
Yeah, whatever. Miami Heat all day.
Okay, Murphy. Oh, that was a great chat. I appreciate the participation. You mind leaning up for me? Okay. Well, that's Murphy and his life.
Get that camera out of my face.